Hi, my name is Felix. Welcome to my channel, Say It in German. Today we are going to learn the German numbers, which are called, in English, they are cardinal numbers. In German, they are called the Cardinalzahlen. The Cardinalzahlen. I know you are as excited I am today to learn these numbers. So I want you to listen to me carefully as I go through the numbers from 0. I will stop at 20 and then I will explain something before we continue with 21. So here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so in German is when you start from 21, it's the opposite the way the English say it. So instead of saying 21, Germans say 1 and 20, 2 and 20, and so forth and so on. So just listen to me again, and be free to stop this video at any time. Repeat it as many times as you can so that you may get the numbers right. So let's continue from 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So those are the German numbers. You can see that after 31 we did not continue with 32 because, as I've told you, you just do it in the opposite way. So for 32 will be 32 and so forth. So let's continue to the next numbers, but this time round we are going to learn the ordinal numbers, which in German they are called ordinal Zahlen. Ordinal Zahlen. So let's begin with the first one. But before we begin, the ordinal Zahlen are used when you want to tell somebody, for example, which floor you work in buildings. You say the first floor, the second floor, or for example, in a race, somebody has been the first, somebody else has been the second and third, and so forth and so on. We also use the ordinal numbers or the ordinal Zahlen to mention or to talk about the dates. So when you want to say the dates, of course, you don't use the cardinal number. You don't say today is 20 whatever month it is, but you say 20th or 21st. So those are the ordinal Zahlen. So just listen to me carefully, and then again feel free to stop the video at any time, as many times as you can, so that you may get it right. So here we go. Erste, zweite, dritte, vierte, fünfte, sechste, siebte, achte, neunte, zehnte, elfte, zwölfte, dreizehnte, vierzehnte, fünfzehnte, sechzehnte, siebzehnte, achtzehnte, neunzehnte, zwanzigste, einundzwanzigste, zweiundzwanzigste, dreiundzwanzigste, vierundzwanzigste, fünfundzwanzigste, sechsundzwanzigste, siebenundzwanzigste, achtundzwanzigste, 29., 30., 31., 40., 25., 60., 70., 80., 90., and then of course let's go back. We have 100 here. 100 is 100. I'm gonna write it here. So 100. So those are the ordinal numbers, and therefore just repeat on your own at your own time. Stop the video and get it right. So let's continue with something else, and that is mentioning the numbers using a dialogue. As you know, I like using dialogues so that we may learn the topic that we have just learned. So here is the dialogue and the English translation. So listen to me. This is Fred and Reinhard that are conversing. So Fred says, Guten Tag, Guten Tag, good day. Reinhard says, Guten Tag, Guten Tag, good day. Fred says, Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? How are you? And Reinhard responds, good, good. That means fine. And then Fred continues by saying, Sag mal, wie alt bist du? Sag mal, wie alt bist du? Tell me, how old are you? Reinhard says, Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. Ich bin 18 Jahre alt. I am 18 years old. And then Fred asks again another question. Wie viele Geschwister hast du? Wie viele Geschwister hast du? And how many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Reinhard responds to that question, Ich habe 3 Geschwister. Ich habe 3 Geschwister. I have 3 siblings. And Fred asks another question. Und wie viele Kinder hast du? Und wie viele Kinder hast du? And how many children do you have? Reinhard responds by saying, Ich habe 2 Kinder. Ich habe 2 Kinder. I have 2 children. Fred asks another question. Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? Sorry, here it's supposed to be a T. Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? What is your telephone number? Reinhard says, Meine Telefonnummer ist 072390724. I'll do it again. Meine Telefonnummer ist 072390724. That means my telephone number is 07239074. And then Fred says, Danke schön. Danke schön. Thanks a lot, or thank you very much. Reinhard responds by saying, Bitte schön. Bitte schön, which means welcome. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Be sure to join me in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that I may notify you whenever I remove another video. So see you next time. Bye for now. Tschüss.